Hey there. Today we are going to talk about the mind-blowing technology that is transforming the manufacturing performance. That is none other than smart manufacturing. So what is smart manufacturing? To put it in a nutshell, smart manufacturing is a technology-driven approach that utilizes internet-connected machinery to monitor the production process. The goal of smart manufacturing is to identify opportunities for automating operations and use data analytics to improve manufacturing performance. Smart manufacturing is a specific application of the Industrial Internet of Things, IIoT. Deployments involve embedding sensors in manufacturing machines to collect data on their operational status and performance. By analyzing the data streaming off an entire factory's worth of machines, or even across multiple facilities, manufacturing engineers and data analysts can look for signs that particular parts may fail, enabling preventive maintenance to avoid unplanned downtime on devices. Manufacturers can also analyze trends in the data to try to spot steps in their processes where production slows down or is inefficient in their use of materials. As smart manufacturing becomes more common and more machines become networked through the Internet of Things, they will be better able to communicate with each other. For example, smart manufacturing systems might be able to automatically order more raw materials as supplies, allocate other equipment to production jobs as needed to complete orders, and prepare distribution networks once orders are completed. Thank you. For more details, visit futureconnect.net. Here are our official social media handles: LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Links are in the description below.